Good morning and welcome to Ms. Shaw's Comprehension Learning video for Wednesday, September 23rd. Our genre this week is informational text. And I want to just go back over what informational text is. Informational texts tell about real people, places, or things. And so this week we're focusing on the main idea, which is what the story is mostly about, and the details, which are pieces of information that tell you about the main idea. So like I said, the main idea for this says there are many things at the playground. Okay, so that's what the story would be mostly about, things at the playground. The details are things at the playground. There is a slide, there are swings, there is a sandbox. If you haven't had a chance to watch the YouTube video, Brain Pop Jr. about main idea, please do so because it's a very good learning video that helps you think of main idea and details. So, objective. What will I do today? Wednesday, we're talking about informational text. Today, I will use illustrations, which are pictures, and text I read or hear to learn or clarify word meanings by matching the vocabulary on page 116. So this is what we're doing today. So we're going to read At the Library. It is on page 107 down here in your student journal. The title of our story is At the Library. At the Library. The author is Eric Braun. And there is not an illustrator because this is real pictures. So read along with me, and we're going to have our main idea is the library. And let's see what details we can find, things we can do and see at the library. The library is a special place. People can do many things here. So this is one of the details from the story. They're showing you different things you can do at the library. And these children are together at a table. They're looking at books together. So that would be one of our details. Page 109 says, here are the books. He can find a good book to read. So this boy is looking on the bookshelf for a good book he likes. And that's another detail. So far we have our main idea, which is at the library. One detail is that you can find good books to read there. Here are the computers. She can use it to tell a story. So here's another detail. So at the library, not only can you find good books to read, but you can find computers usually. And those children might be making up their own story using a computer. I think that would be pretty cool. Here are the movies. They can take a movie home. So sometimes at the library, your local library, not the one at school, but your local library in your town might have some videos that you can check out and take home. So these are two more details of what things, special things we can do at the library. Turn the page. This is story time. The children listen to a story. So here's another thing you can do at the library. Here's the librarian, and she's reading a story, and the kids are sitting and listening. It's called story time. And that is pretty fun. Hopefully we get to do that in person soon with our new librarian, Ms. Martinez. This is a teacher. She helps students with their homework. So in this picture, one of the details, he's using the library to help him do his homework, and his teacher is helping him. This is the librarian. He helps people find books. And our librarian is Miss Martinez, and she is new this year. I'm sure she's looking forward to meeting everybody. So there's another detail about the library. The librarians can help you find books. The library is a great place, and it really is. It's an awesome place to find great books. So your job today, on page 116, you're going to look at the vocabulary word, and then you're going to look at the pictures and decide which picture it belongs to. So this says library. This is the little boy at the library, so they drew a line connecting the picture to the word. This says movie, librarian, and computers. So you're going to draw a line to match the word to the pictures. And I'm also going to show you where you can go if you would like to read some extra books. It's right here under classwork, right under the reading, online books. So if you click on that and you click on this, it should take you directly to and this won't show for you because this is Miss Shaw's teacher version. But if you click on that, it should take you directly to the story. Okay, thank you for watching.